Hello, children. Hello, Dr. Duncan. How are you doing? We are doing fine. And I sure hope everybody's doing fine this morning. I'm doing pretty good this morning. It's been a fun day. And I have a song for you that, well, you probably know as a nursery rhyme. I knew it as a nursery rhyme when I was a kid. Had no idea it had such a cool story behind it. Now, here's the nursery rhyme I learned. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay, I had no idea, Hickory Dickory Dock, what in the world does that mean? Well, I thought it was just nonsense syllables, but they were fun to say. Well, they probably come originally, way back in the day, from the Cumbric language, which was an English language. Havera davera dick. Havera davera dick. Hickory Dickory Dock. Yeah, that translates over the years. It migrates a little bit there. But Havera davera dick was a counting thing. 8, 9, 10, we would say. Now, why would you want a counting game or a counting song as a nursery rhyme? Because kids needed to learn how to count. Now, of course, Hickory Dickory Dock doesn't help us learn how to count unless we do the clock struck 1, the clock struck 2, the clock struck 3, the clock struck 4. How many hours before we repeat them? Why, we have 12 hours in the morning and 12 hours in the afternoon. 24 hours in the whole day, but we do them 12 hours at a time. So we're going to do this song 12 times. Fortunately, it's short. Now, here's the cool thing. The mouse ran up the clock is probably the astronomical clock at Exeter Cathedral, which was a real thing. It was this beautiful clock, the mechanical action, all these really neat things, but it actually had a little hole, a doorway, so the cat could get inside to chase the mice and keep the mice from messing up the clock. So it's very likely that the story was actually about that clock in particular. Now I've got a picture of that clock and a picture of the insides of that clock and then a picture of lots of other clocks. But the first two you see will actually be the clock that this is probably about, the clock at Exeter Cathedral. So let's learn Hickory Dickory Dock. Have a great day. Hickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 3, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 4, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 5, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 6, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 7, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 8, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 9, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 10, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 11, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 12, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.